Start with the glorious name of Almighty Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful. So now our topic is about comparison of adjectives. Examine the following sentences. Hamid is a small boy. Ali is smaller than Hamid. Rashid is the smallest of the three. When I say Hamid is a small boy, do I compare him with any other boy? No, I simply say that Hamid is small. When I use the word smaller, how many boys do I compare? I compare two boys, Ali and Hamid, and say that one is smaller than the other. When I use the word smallest, I compare Hamid, Ali and Rashid and say that Rashid is the smallest of the three boys. The simple form of the adjective is called the positive degree of the adjective. The form of the adjective used in comparing two objects is called the comparative degree of the adjective. The form of the adjective used in comparing more than two objects is called the superlative degree of the adjective. Comparative adjectives are used in sentences where two nouns are compared, as in the pattern shown below. Formation: noun, subject plus verb plus comparative adjective plus then plus noun and object. The comparative is usually formed by adding er to the positive. Read some examples. My room is larger than hers. Your dog runs faster than Sohel's dog. This chair is smaller than the one I was sitting on. Superlative adjectives are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Formation: noun is a subject plus verb plus the plus superlative adjective plus noun is an object. The superlative is usually formed by adding est to the positive. For example, my house is the largest in our neighborhood. This is the smallest box I have ever seen. So now we are seeing comparative and superlative degrees of some verbs. Small is the positive degree, comparative smaller, superlative is smallest. In comparative we add er in the ending of verb, and in superlative we add est in the ending of a verb. So this is the note that you have to remember. Tall, taller, tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Young, younger, youngest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Examine how the degrees of comparison of the following adjectives are formed. Noble, nobler, noblest. Fine, finer, finest. Brave, braver, bravest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Big, bigger, biggest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Number 1. When the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added. Number 2. When the positive ends in Y with a consonant before it, Y is changed into I before ER and EST. Number 3rd point, that is to remember that when the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in a single consonant with a short vowel before it, the consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. The table below gives comparison of irregular forms. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. Late, later, latest. Old, older, oldest. या इन्हें जो elder and eldest भी थी सके थो. Far, farther, farthest. Notice the distinction in the use of older and elder, oldest and eldest. He is older than I am. He is my elder brother. He is the oldest man in the village. His eldest son is 60 years old. Elder and eldest are normally used when comparing members of a family. They only go before nouns. Where, however, the adjective is already a rather long word, we do not make it still longer by adding E-R-R-E-S-T. It is then compared by prefixing more and most. As positive degree is expensive, comparative more expensive, and superlative degree is most expensive. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Delicate, more delicate, and most delicate. Start with the glorious name